Okay, a quick overview on analyzing your first swing in SwingTrace AI Pro. Once signed in, you'll be greeted with the setup screen, where you'll enter your weight, your height, and the club that you hit in the swing that you wish to upload. You'll enter your player speed profile, which is based on your average driver swing speed. There is an instruction icon available above that field with a full description. You will find these instruction icons over all screens and functions once in the app. Enter your club speed, if known to a reasonable error, or if the swing was recorded in conjunction with using a launch monitor. You'll select your video clip, and you'll be transported into the video clipping screen, where you set the video scrubber to the start and the end of the swing. In particular, you're looking for the first stable frame before the backswing. That's quite important. You should be able to get your clipping time down to about 1.5 to 2 seconds. The first thing to note is that the SwingTrace solver has matched the club impact speed accurately to within a small variance. Now, as long as Keyframes look relatively on point, just click the Summary tab and you will see your AI coaching summary. In most instances and use cases, there need be nothing much for you to do. Again, there's a useful pop-up that's worth reading on the way in. This gives you at least an overview of what comes next, should for any reason the keyframe screen not auto-populate. New users will be greeted with a pop-up with instructions and suggestions on their first few analyses runs. Underneath the AI summary are the various results metrics tiles. Pay particular attention to the bottom 2 rows of tiles. These are of paramount importance in your biomechanics development. Towards the bottom of the screen, a focus point card displays your suggested primary training focus, which if you are on one of our subscription plans, you can click to accept as a training prerogative and track longitudinally over time. Other important reference information can be found on the chart screen. You can lock onto a trace on all charts for comparison across metrics at specific swing points. The data table screen gives you some other useful metrics in conjunction with the mapped skeletal representation expressed at each respective P position. And that's really all there is to it. In around 2 or 3 minutes, you've run your first analysis, results which you can save out as a PDF, and have your first training focus in hand for your next lesson, coaching, drill, or practice session.